So it's a really pretty weekend and we have several projects going on. We got some new rabbit cages. They're a set of 6 and they're all together so they stack, which would be really nice. We're also building a rabbit tractor, well, rabbit and chicken tractor for our meat chickens that we're getting, but we're gonna use it for both. And we're gonna plant some more. We already planted a little bit. We're gonna get more done, but Coda's gonna help me. We're getting it unloaded from the trailer now. Gotta clean it and get it moved in and improve our setup for our bunnies. Okay. Am I spraying the babies?
Let me go check.
Are they getting wet? Are you getting wet like that? Okay. Okay, can you grab? Okay, what can we put in front of it so the babies don't get wet? Because we don't want them to get cold right before it gets dark. You know what? Grab one of the trays for now over there that's drying that doesn't have the vinegar in it. Oh, quit walking like that. You didn't get that wet. You want to get that wet? No! Well guys, it is getting really cold and the wind's starting to pick up. I don't think the sun's gonna come back today. It's pretty cloudy. And it's supposed to rain. So I think we're gonna call it a day. We're probably only halfway done cleaning this rabbit cage. It is pretty big though. But there's a lot of cleaning that needs to get done to it. So Coda and I are gonna call it a night, head up and get dinner, and part 2 will be here tomorrow. Robert and Callan have been over here building our new chicken tractor that will eventually double as our bunny tractor. And it's nice because we'll be able to stand up inside of it when we gotta catch chickens. So it's day 2 on our rabbit cage cleanup. It's been raining all weekend so far, so it's kind of cold out here today. We got the sun for a little bit, but there's definitely some clouds that are gonna be moving in here pretty soon. So I don't know how long we're gonna be able to be out here, but hopefully we'll be able to get it done and get these cages moved in there and see how it goes. I don't know, I'm pretty excited. So it'll be a little bit, but we'll get there. The backside definitely needs a lot of cleaning up, but the people that we got this from gave it to us for a really good deal. They're actually moving to Arizona, and they're selling their farm and property out in Cuna. That's only about, well, from our house it's about 14 miles, so it's not too bad. But the lady and her mom, they're just super great. They're so funny. And so honestly, I kind of am sad that they're moving, because had we have known them prior to buying the rabbit cages and we bought some other stuff from them, I feel like we could have been super good friends. They're just funny and great and our kind of people. So, but anyway, we're thankful for this, for the rabbit cages. I think it'll do good things for us, and we'll be able to expand a little bit. I don't know, it'll be good. This is my best friend. I don't think I could have gotten half of that work done without it, or I could have, but it would have taken me a lot longer. I definitely recommend one of these if you have to clean some really dirty rabbit cages, which luckily we don't really have to very often because we keep ours really clean. But like I said, we got this one used at a really great deal, so I don't mind spending a couple of hours cleaning it. This is great. So there they are. Now that we took down the middle fence panels to make it all one big pen, because the boys are way over there. Hi, Panther! This is where they all want to hang out. It's kind of funny. They don't want anything to do with the other side of the pen now. This is the fun territory. Hey, girls. Well, we got it done. Ben is finishing up giving all the rabbits their water. We took out those cages that are back there on the ground. That's what the boys were in. But they don't need to be in those anymore since we got those other 6. So it'll be kind of nice. We can have the girls on one side of the rabbit shed, the boys on the other side. So I think this setup will work pretty good. Plus we have 3 extra ones in there for the grow outs, our meat rabbits. Her what? Water hanger? Yeah. It should be on there. Well, look around. Anyway, we have 3 extra cages in there for the grow outs in the winter because I'd really like to not have them go outside if we have winter babies. I just think that they'll get too cold. So, and I don't want to lose a whole lot of kids. So, it'll be good. I'm pretty excited with this setup and how the final product is looking. We still got to clean out the other cages the girls were in before we move the boys over to them, but that'll be easy peasy compared to cleaning these cages, so not too bad. And I'm really excited that our weather, it's coming in. See those clouds over there, but it didn't quite hit us. We were able to finish it, so that was a big plus. So good times.